Instagram hashtags are used to categorize and organize content on the platform. Here's how they work. Content tagging. When you create a post on Instagram, you can include hashtags in the caption or comments section. Hashtags start with the hashtag symbol followed by a keyword or phrase. Discoverability. Instagram uses hashtags to make content more discoverable. When users search for a specific hashtag or click on a hashtag, they can see all the posts tagged with that hashtag. This helps users find relevant content and discover new accounts. Reach and engagement. Using popular and relevant hashtags in your posts can increase their visibility and reach a wider audience. When you include a hashtag, your post becomes part of a larger conversation or topic, making it more likely to be seen and engaged with by users who follow or search for that hashtag. Hashtag follow. Users can also follow specific hashtags on Instagram, which means they will see top posts and recent content tagged with those hashtags in their feed. This allows users to stay updated on topics or interests they are interested in. Hashtag strategy. To optimize your hashtag usage, it's important to choose relevant hashtags that align with your content and target audience. Using a mix of popular and niche hashtags can help you reach the right people and increase engagement on your posts.